2015 Toyota Highlander. I'm going to show you how to do the oil change reset on this. It's going to be kind of hard one-handed, but deal with me here. So you're going to turn the on button twice, click it twice. Don't put your foot on the brake though, you don't want to start the car. And then you're going to use your trip button right here. You're going to put this on trip A. Make sure it's on trip A. And then you're going to turn that vehicle back off. And then this time when you click the button twice, you want to be holding down on the trip button too. So push on the trip button and push the start button twice. Once you do that, it's going to bring up this little countdown menu, and that'll reset everything, and then all your oil life is reset, and then you can go back to your odometer. And that's it. Hope that helps.